Once you're logged into the LIFTIQ dashboard, you're ready to start setting up your inspection management system. Begin by configuring your settings. Add the manufacturer brands you regularly purchase to simplify product setup later. Next, input any product codes you often use. These can be linked to equipment entries for faster data entry and improved consistency. Specify the typical locations where your equipment is stored or used. This could include vehicle names, specific job sites, or the names of employees responsible for the equipment. Defining locations helps with tracking and accountability. Now, set the standard inspection frequencies for your equipment, such as quarterly or biannual. You can also enable automated reminders, one 7 days before the due date, one on the due date, and recurring reminders for overdue inspections. These alerts help ensure nothing slips through the cracks. In the Inspection Types section, you'll see a list of pre-loaded inspection categories. You can edit or delete these as needed. Define how each type behaves. For example, whether it resets the next due date or marks compliance when passed. Choose types like periodic inspections, pre-use checks, or third-party inspections, depending on your process. List all staff or third-party providers authorized to perform inspections. These inspectors will be linked to individual inspection records, ensuring traceability. You'll use one of 3 results during inspections: pass, fail, or conditional pass. A conditional pass indicates the equipment is currently safe to use, but may need repair or monitoring in the near future. For example, if a chain tag is beginning to wear but is still legible. To add equipment, enter a unique ID or use the system's auto-generate function. Then add a tag code. This links the equipment to a LIFTIQ QR tag, which can be purchased separately from shop.ch-s.com.au. When scanned on site, it will display the current inspection status. For example, compliant, due soon, overdue, or out of service, along with other key information. Fill in the equipment details, including the product name, equipment type, brand, product code, serial number, and assigned location. Add the purchase date and inspection frequency. You can also upload supporting documents like user manuals and proof load certificates. Once all details are entered, click Save. This will store the equipment in your system and provide quick access to files like certificates or manuals, all in one place. When it's time for an inspection, click the Inspect button. Record the inspection date and time, select the inspector, choose the inspection type, and mark whether the item passed or failed. If the inspection fails, document the defect. Choose the type, note the severity, and describe the issue. For example, a worn component or missing tag. Once submitted, the item is automatically marked as out of service. After repairs are completed, update the equipment status. Then perform a re-inspection to return the item to service. You can also archive the defect history for reference. Once an inspection is completed and passed, download the inspection certificate. This document can be shared with site managers or safety personnel as proof of compliance. Access the equipment's QR code anytime. When scanned in the field, users can view inspection status and history instantly. This helps teams verify compliance on site. If a piece of equipment needs to be temporarily removed from service, you can flag it accordingly. If it's being permanently removed from your fleet, select Discard. You'll be asked if you want to reuse the QR code. Confirm your selection, keeping in mind this action can't be undone. If you need help at any point or have questions about your setup, our support team is here to help. Simply use the contact form located on the left sidebar of your dashboard, and someone will get back to you shortly. Thanks for using LIFTIQ, and stay safe on site.